Hi everyone, thank you for heading over to my channel. I have here a Valentine's Day swap that I'm doing with a very talented, beautiful lady here on YouTube, and she also has an Instagram account and her name is MrsEvally. So if you do have Instagram, please check her out. She makes some gorgeous things, especially embellishments, and also check out her channel here on YouTube. I will put a link down the bottom for you, and you can have a look and see all her lovely creations and the wonderful swaps that she also hosts and also creates for her pen pals. So we decided to do, well, we didn't decide, it just so happens that it's Valentine's Day and I want to give her a little Valentine's Day gift for her, and I thought I'll show you what I've made for her before I post it out in the mail today, before I forget to film it. So it's going in the post. It'll be going in one of these parcel boxes that we have here in Australia, and I just got to fill out one of these like declaration forms, and normally I just use a flat pack padded envelope, but because I'm sending her one of these 4x4 mini pizza boxes that I made, I have a tutorial also on how you can make one of these as well. I didn't want to put it in one of those envelopes in case it gets squashed, so it will be going in one of these boxes for her. Sometimes our mail does take a little while to reach its destination, but I'm hoping she will receive it and it will get to her safely. So I'll just quickly show you what I have put in here for her. So this is the cover of the box. I used one of my girl dies and I just paper pasted her outfit, her bow, some rhinestones, and I've just put a little embellished Happy Valentine's Day and one of my XO dies that I've got. Also, this is another heart lace die that's in my stash. So inside the box I've just put with love and a boy and girl in red glitter paper backed with a heart die that I have, and I've embossed the heart with some hearts. So that's the inside and of the cover. In here we have a tag that I made for her that says love. I made her a little pinwheel topper, and I just put XOXO on the back of that. These are just some dies that I've got in there for her. I won't take them out. Just wanted to show you what I've made for her. This is a heart embellished tag, also that she could use if she wants to send to her one of her pen pals. So that goes in there. I made her a embellished tag, and that's just one of my die tags that I've got, and that's one of my love word dies that I have. I've even given her some pinwheels for her to use in her projects if she likes, and I just made a topper to create the to decorate the bag. And on the back I've also sent her some of my pinwheel dies that she can assemble herself for her. And this is the mini booklet flip book that I made. I have a tutorial on this as well. This was meant to be sent for her. So what I've done is it's a booklet, and inside the booklet they're clear seal bags where I put all her goodies in there, and it's kept in one booklet. So whenever she wants to take out any of these craft supplies, all she has to do is just take it out from this bottom flap here and take out what she needs, and then just seal that back up, and then she can just put that away and come back to it whenever she wants to use any of the other crafting supplies. And she can also put some of her her stash in here too if she wanted to, and it's nice and flat. So yes, if you wanted to have a look and see how I made this, it's in one of my videos. So that's that. I've also given her a kit to make one of these cute little girls for her. I think I've put in there, I think there's 2 kits in there for her. So yes, so that's the loaded pizza or loaded mini pizza box with the Valentine's Day theme that I made for her. So I will put that in the mail today. Okay, I'll fix that up in a minute. And these are some extra goodies that I've also be giving to her. I made some embellishments for her that she could use, and I've made my own bag topper and embellished the topper just so it looks more nice and pretty when she receives it. I've given her some more dies in here that I've used my die cutting machine that she can use in her creations, and this is just her her little letter for her, and I used the one of my cards that I made using my 3x4 stitched edge die, and I made that into a card. So yes, so this is getting sent out to her this afternoon. I hope she receives it. She won't receive it in time for Valentine's, I do know that, but it will hopefully get to her as soon as it can. So I just wanted to share that with you, and I hope you enjoyed my little Valentine's Day swap goodies for my pen pal, Mrs. Everly. Thank you very much for watching.